Hello friends, welcome back to Azure 204 Lab 4 exercise 2. Okay, so we'll do something interesting in exercise 2. Okay, so if you guys are new, just go through the lab scenario. So far we are done with the exercise 1 and we are going to focus on exercise 2. Let's go to the instructions page. You can find the URL in the video description. So here we are, exercise 2, and task 1 is to upload image blobs. So we first need to go to resource group. We need to look for the polyglot data, which is our resource group. Then we need to go to the our storage account, okay, polystore. And in the storage account, we need to go to the containers link under blob services. And from there, we need to go and create a new container. Container name should be images and access level should be blob anonymous, okay. So let's go and complete 1 to 6 steps. So I'll go here, we'll go to our resource group, polyglot. I'll look for storage account, it's here. We need to go and create a new container. So it should be here under blob service, containers. Need to click on plus to create a new container. Container name should be images and access level should be blob. This one. Click on create. Okay. So now we have one container in our storage account. Okay, let's go back. Now in the blob container section, newly created images container, from the container blade, find settings, properties, and get the URL. Okay, we'll need this value later. Okay, so we'll just go back here, click on the container and properties. Hopefully, here is our URL. So we need to copy. I'll put it here on my notepad for later use. So this is my images container URL. I'll put it here. Okay. Now we need to upload a blob. Okay. So we need to go to the files folder icon and we need to go to the left for starter images. We just need to select all the 42 individual .jpg image file and okay. So in task 12, we need to upload images to the our newly created container. Okay. So just follow me here. I'll just close this one. I'll click here, click on upload. From here, I'll go and select our left for starter images. Okay, so here we have 42 images. So I'll click on Control A, open. I'll click on overwrite and upload. So here you will see 42 images that are okay. So the images are here now. Perfect. Let me close this one. Let's go back. So we are done with the step 12. Now next is task 2. Upload an SQL.backpack file. Okay. So here we need to go to our resource group and then we need to go to the polystore. Okay, our storage account and then container again. So here also we need to create a new container called databases. Okay, and access level should be private. Okay, let's go and create a new container first. I'll close this one. I'll click here databases and access level should be private. So I'll keep this one as it is. I'll simply click on create. Okay, so we have one more container in our storage account. Okay, that's good. Now next is the in the database container, go to the upload and then we need to upload adventureworks dot backup. Okay, backpack. Okay, so let's go and upload the file. So in database here's upload. We need to go and select the adventure workspace. I'll just go back here. So this is the file that we need to upload, adventureworks dot backpack, BACPAC. Upload, overwrite, upload. Okay, so it's here. I'll close this one and this too. So basically we uploaded one file in our newly created container databases. Okay, so we are done with step 9 as well. Okay, perfect. Now task 3, it says import an SQL database. Okay, so here we need to go to our resource and we need to go to the our SQL server instance that we created earlier, and from there we need to select import database. Okay, so let's go. Let's complete these 4 steps first. Let me close. Okay, here is our resource group and need to look for, here it is our server instance, SQL server instance, poly SQL server. Okay, Azure. Now from here, import, is it? Let's go here, go back, database. Okay, now we need to, from the SQL server blade, select import database. From the import database blade, perform these actions. Let's go and look for import database. So I think it's here only, import database. Do we have anywhere else? No. So let's go and click here, import database. So here is the blade. Subscription will keep as it is. Storage. Okay, let's go. Subscription as it is. Select the storage option. From the storage account, go and select poly storage account. Okay. So here we need to go and select our storage account, poly storage. Okay, Azure. Okay, perfect. And what else? Storage account. And from the containers blade, we need to select databases. Okay. And from the containers blade, select the adventureworks.backpack. Okay, so I'll go here and then here we need to select this one. So basically we are importing this file into our SQL server. So we are done here. Now from leave the pricing tier as it is default. In the database name text, enter adventureworks. Leave the collation text box default, and we need to enter the SQL server username and password. Okay, let's go back here. Pricing thing, leave as it is. Database name, it's good. Collation, we need to leave default. And SQL server is test user, we need to paste the password here so that we can complete this import process. Import. So basically we are importing a database in our SQL server. Okay. Now here you can see database import in progress. Okay. So we'll wait for this to happen. You can see the progress here also in the notification. Database import in progress. So it took almost 2 minutes and now you can see it's completed. Okay, so our import process is done. Let me just close this one. Okay, let's go back. So now, okay, so that's it as part of task 3. Now task 4, it says use an imported SQL server. Okay, so it will take some time, so I'll catch you in the next video.